In this video, I will create a clone of Clash Royale in less than an hour with a real elixir system, 11 different characters, an opponent and real game logic against a bot. But there is one catch. I will not use Unity, Unreal Engine or any complex programs. I won't be downloading gigabytes of assets. I'll do it using only Gemini, and the entire game will be contained in a single file. It's a regular HTML document that you can simply download at the end of the video, open it any browser and start playing right away. But before we begin, let's remember what Clash Royale is and why it became so popular. The game was released on March 2nd, 2016. Almost 10 years ago, one of the most popular online mobile games of all time was born. During this time, the game has received a huge number of updates with new characters, new modes, clans and clan wars, ratings, tournaments and a huge amount of donations, for which it is so disliked, but which brings the publishers a huge amount of money. Videos have been filmed on YouTube, TV series have been made, and esports tournaments have been held based on this game. The mechanics of the game are simple. You have a tower with a queen, 2 towers with princesses, and 10 elixirs you can spend on one of 12 characters in your deck. Your opponent has the same thing, 12-year-old schoolboy playing during school breaks. And that's why Clash Royale is still popular today. You play against real people, so every match is different from the previous ones. And once we figured out the mechanics and the story, it was time to start making the game. And yes, I have my own mobile and web application development studio, where we develop custom projects. I could do everything myself, but why? Not long ago, a new Gemini was released that can code and do it very well according to ordinary people. And we will test it by making it creating a functional MVP of the game Clash Royale. I'll answer right away why the game is against a bot and not online. Making a multiplayer game is difficult. You need to write the backend and frontend separately, set up servers, configure them and transfer all the details in real time. So in this video we will make a game against bot, but if you want me to remake the game for multiplayer and hold a tournament among you, write in the comments and subscribe to channel. We go to Gemini and write a simple prompt asking for technical specifications for the MVP version of Clash Royale. Blah blah blah, not interesting. Now develop it. 870 lines of code, and this is the simplest MVP without graphics and multiplayer. Just imagine how many lines of code there are in real Clash Royale. And we only have a timer, an elixir that can be spent and which regenerates over time, and 3 units, Knight, Musketeer and Giant, just like in the first version of the original game. The Giant is slow, only hits buildings and is very thick. The Musketeer shoots fast and is thin. Well, the Knight is the son of the Giant and Musketeer, something in between them. Okay, I like it. The bot has already gone on the attack. We will copy it. The timer is running, the elixir is being spent. Excellent. Hey, why aren't they fighting anymore? What's going on with the gangbang between the Knight and the Giant? Well, you can't work with AI without bugs. Please fix everything. In the real game, when you destroy a tower, you have the opportunity to place units on the part where the tower used to be. This opens up huge possibilities for the game. Ask AI to add this, also add new cards, an army of skeletons and fireball to counter them. And I won't lie, the skeletons are imbalanced. They can push the enemy off the screen, where it's unclear what will happen to them, or straight to the King's Tower, activating it. But if you have played the main game, you know that there is a card rotation, thanks to which you can spam the same card and which creates insanely different game situation, where a mega gay is running at you and you have a zap, arrows, 3 skeletons and a balloon in your hand. Asking AI to add this mechanic and another card that would counter the skeletons, which are currently too strong. And this is my favorite card in the game, Executioner. His mechanics are more interesting than Musketeer's. His weapon returns to him, dealing double damage to enemies and hitting multiple targets along the way. While I wait for Gemini, I invite you to join my chat for startups and entrepreneurs, where you can find co-founders, attract investments or share what you are doing. The link is in the description. AI did it without any mistakes, and Executioner became the strongest card in my version of Clash Royale. Next, I wanted to create characters with their own abilities. One of them was the Wizard, a mag with splash damage and freeze abilities. The AI got carried away and made the freeze effect the same as in the original game. I also create a witch with splash damage and the ability to spawn 3 skeletons every so often. You probably remember that in the original game, in addition to units, there are buildings, each with its own ability. That means we will have them too. We ask AI to make an elixir collector that brings 1 elixir every so often and loses health over time. It works as it should. And before the video ends and we fight the bot as serious as possible, we write the last prompt. In it, we ask AI to improve the graphics, add effects and make the game more enjoyable. We add a new character, a log that rolls, deals damage and repels enemies. We also ask AI to add 1 unusual unit with its own abilities. Later you will see what it added. This project took less than an hour hour to develop with the AI and 1495 lines of code. The game features a bot that will play against you, elixir system, 8 units, 2 spells and 1 building. Great graphics, although simple, as well as card rotation and a timer. Write in the comments what other units or mechanics you would like to see added to the game, and should we make a multiplayer mode and hold a tournament among viewers. Don't forget to subscribe and order up development.